Fancy doesn't fix structural issues. You can have the prettiest house on the street and spend a lot of money on these beautiful updates, but if you don't fix the safety concerns, the structural issues, cracks in your foundation wall, anything like that will make buyers run for the hills. Your house looks like it needs some work. You have all these little issues, and that's going to scare buyers away. I'm Drew Scott, and this is Setting the Stage. What's the one big thing you notice in this house to start? It is very dark. They put a nice coat of paint on the walls. That's not fooling anyone. You have to make sure that you take care of any issues or any eyesores if you want to get top dollar for a house. I know they're trying to keep an original feature of this house, but unfortunately this isn't adding any value. Now there are the cobwebs all over it. That's disgusting. The problem here is they're trying to sell this house without really updating the space. They're not changing the flow. This is only a 2-bedroom house, but it's really choppy how you go up this long, skinny hallway to get into the master bathroom. As well, your main bathroom is right here off the dining room, which is an awkward place. Well, they've spent a little money in here renovating, but it's long and skinny. I don't see a lot of added value in just putting the money into this one bathroom, but leaving everything else feeling pretty dated. And the kitchen is no better. First off, why go lime neon green on the walls? That's not a color that anybody likes. And then you look over at the kitchen. This was probably put in 10, 15 years ago. Not the best use of space. They're short, cheap laminate tops. I know that they're trying to put some value into the house, but unfortunately they didn't change the configuration and it's not adding value. You have this massive laundry room over on this side. You could have opened up this wall, expanded your kitchen to 3 times the size with a big island. Didn't do that. Over here, the floors, how is this a feature? Someone's gonna walk in this house and go right through the floors. Even on this side, you see the massive hump. It doesn't matter what you do for improvements to a home. If you have structural issues, foundation issues, or any sort of safety issue, that's gonna scare buyers away. They don't wanna deal with it. I mean, this fireplace is a feature you see in a lot of the houses. I would have removed this fireplace, spent the extra money to get rid of it, and have an open flow between these 2 spaces. If I had to give you one big piece of advice, don't spend all your money on the pretty. Make sure it's a structurally sound home and a safe home. Buyers will love you for it.